Okay, today we will show you how to unlock this Fiido M1Pro new version display. Okay, so when you unbox, okay, you will get this. Okay, you can try it, switch on, okay, and the speed's about 22 to 23. Okay, and you can hear also the motor sound is like normal. Okay, so just switch off. Throttle maximum, brake, okay, switch on, okay, wait about 7 seconds to 8 seconds, okay, then just release. Okay. So when you try, okay, you can hear the motor sound is like spin very fast, but the meter should still show you 25. Okay, what you need to do, okay, to unlock the meter. Okay, this is unlock the meter, it's not unlock the speed. Okay, just press these two together, okay, until this flashing. Okay, flashing 1, 2. Okay, then you can try. Okay, this unlock the meter already. You can show 40 over already. Okay, thank you for watching.